Hey, so this question, and they're very similar, and you can do them on your calculator. Whenever you see normal distribution, you tend to just use your calculator to do it. So X is just a normal distribution. We have a mean of 20 and a standard deviation of 6. And then we're introducing a standard normal distribution. So whenever we do a standard normal distribution, the variable is usually Z to represent that. Now, we can work out the probability that Z is, it's a bit wonky, is between -2 and 1 on our calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So interactive, continuous, and we just want normal CDF. So our lower limit is -2, our upper limit is 1. Now for a standard normal distribution, your standard deviation is 1 and your mean is 0. So there's our probability there for the standard normal. What you can see for the options is you got to say, well, which normal distribution is that equal to? So we're going to do pretty much the same thing. Whoops. Nope, it's all good. Normal CDF. Now, it's not always a good idea to go through each one to find the answer, but sometimes you just can't help it. So this sort of question, you really need to just go through and find the one that is equal to the answer we just have had. So I'm doing 18 to 21 for option A. Now, because we're doing the normal, not the standard normal, standard deviation is 6 and your mean is 20. Okay, so I press enter and it's not the same. Okay, so I keep changing those values until I get the same. So I'm going to try B now, 14 to 32. So I can just change here. I don't need to go back into that other window. Press enter and you'll see they're the same. All right, awesome. There's your answer, B. Okay, we don't need to worry about any calculations. The easiest way to do it is just to put those answers in. It doesn't take that long to do on your calculator. All right, the second one I think is quite similar. So we've got a normal distribution with a mean of 12 and a standard deviation of 0.5. Z has a standard normal distribution. Then the probability that X is less than 11.5 is equal to. So we're going to just do the same thing. So again, normal CDF. All right, so just going over here, we want less than 11.5. So my lower limit is -infinity. My upper limit is 11.5. And because I'm looking at the variable X, my standard deviation is 0.5. And my mean is 12. All right, so we can just do the same thing. We want a probability equal to this. So what I can do is just go back into normal CDF. All right, so for option A, Z is greater than -1. So the lower limit is -1 and the upper limit is infinity. And because it's a standard normal, it's just 1 and 0. All right, so there it is. And we can just change the values now. See how my inequality sign changes. So I might skip A and do C. Actually, I know the answer is not going to be. Let's just get rid of that one. Oh, all right, so there we go. Your answer is C. What I initially thought that was they were symmetrical, but now I'm actually noticing, and I'm probably explaining something that isn't really required for this question. So Z is greater than -1 is this region here. And then we've got Z is greater than 1 is just this area here. So which is the same as this area here. But I was thinking of, yeah, the symmetry with the inequality signs, not realizing that they're actually facing the right way. All right, hopefully that helps. Bye.